Hey guys, welcome back. In today's Microsoft Excel tutorials video, we are going to see that how can we use the two important features that are used in any kind of a printed document, and these are the headers and footers in Microsoft Excel. So basically in today's video, we are going to see that how can we apply the headers as well as the footers in any kind of a Microsoft Excel sheet that is available to us. And remember one thing, that these headers and footers would not be available while viewing the Excel sheet, but they would only be visible whenever you are trying to print that particular sheet. So if you want, you can just simply print this sheet using the shortcut like Control P. So this print preview option would be visible to you. And here, as you can see, that this is the print preview option that I have got, and some of my sheet is available over here, and on the second page the rest of the sheet is available. And the reason why this sheet is divided into two pages is because I have aligned it in such a way that it is now divided into two pages, so that we can simply apply the concept of the headers and footers. Here you can see that in this print preview option, there are already some of the headers and footers that are available to me. Now you can see that this is the number. These are these three columns of the headers, and these some columns of the footers as well. And if you want to just understand them, then you can simply understand it as this is the page number. This middle column is the page number. This column over here represents the total number of pages. This represents the name of this project, that is book 3. Over here it represents the present date. Here it represents the name of the file, that is header and footer. And here it is the path. So this is what I have chosen to be used in my headers and footers, and this is what I have customized it to look like. But it's totally up to your choice that how you want your headers and footers to look like. And you can easily use some predefined formats, or you can just customize it as per your wish. So if you want to customize it, or if you want to use the predefined format, what you got to do is just follow these simple steps. Now you can just see over here that these dotted lines that are available after the column J and after the column T represent the page. So this first page is from column A and up till column J, and the second page is from column K up till column T. So that is why my sheet, or whatever my table was divided into two different pages when the print preview was shown. It was cause it is available at the intersection of two pages, and I have chosen it cause I needed to show it like this. So now the question arises that how can we apply these headers and footers in the sheets. So for that, what you got to do is just go to the page layout tab in Microsoft Excel, and once you have got to the page layout tab, you can just go to this sheet options. You can expand it, sheet options, or any of these expansions that are available. You can just expand it, and you will find a dialog box of page setup in front of you. Now this page setup is what is going to help us to customize the headers and footers as per our choice. Now how can we customize them? There is a tab known as headers and footers. We can just click on that tab, and here you can see that there are two options available, that we can just customize our header, or we can just customize our footer as well. Now there are different checkboxes also available. We can just look at them, that you want different headers for the odd and the even pages, or you want the different first page. So these two options are available, and if you just select on any one of them, then whatever the thing that they are saying that is the different odd and the even pages, or the different first page, would be shown to you. So how can we do that? First of all, we are going to see that how can we apply headers and footers. So this is the custom header that I have already applied, but what if you don't want this custom header? So these are some of the predefined headers also available with Microsoft Excel. What you can just do over here is some of these things, like you can provide it with the name of the file, that is book 3, along with the page number, like this. You can provide it with some other data like this. You can provide it with some other data like this. So these are some of the options that are predefined available by Microsoft Excel, and if you want, you can just choose on any one of them. But if you want a custom header, there is a button given to you known as the custom header button. You can just select on it. As soon as you do that, this header dialog box will open. Now this header dialog box allows you to just customize your header as per your wish using these buttons or some of the code which you can easily write. And there are these three sections available: the left section, the center section, and the right section available to you. Now you can just apply your header in these three options. First of all, you can just apply a left section. So in the left section, what do I want is, I want that the total number of pages should be available that are available in my sheet. So there are 2 pages available, so that is why I want that 2 should be written over in the left section of the header. So there is a button called insert number of pages. I can just click on it, and you can see that ampersand and within square bracket pages is shown over here. That means that whatever the total number of pages are there would be written in the left section. Now what if I want some code to be available in the center section? In the center section, I want the current page number, so I just select on that, that whatever the current page number is would be shown over here, that is ampersand page. And in the right section, what do I want is, I want the current date to be visible. So this is the option of the current date. So using this, I can just apply the current date, that is ampersand date, and then as soon as I click on OK, so this is the custom header that I have got, that the total number of pages are, it is not actually the correct information shown over here, because the total number of pages are 2, so it must be 2 over here, which is 1 is shown, and then the number of the page of the total pages that is 1, and the current date. Similarly, I can also customize my footers as well. So to customize the footer, you can simply, if you want, select only these options that are available to you, like this. And if you want, you can just customize it. You can just go to this custom footer options and you can customize it. Suppose here I want this time to be visible, at what time it is right now. So I'm just going to insert time, and here I want this page number to be visible, but I want some text to be visible along with it, like page, then I want a colon, the current page number of, and the total number of pages. So that is what I'm going to do, that page, this, of this, and here I'm going to just remove it. So this is how you can customize your footer, and along with this predefined things, you can also add some of your own text or some of your own signature you want. Like in the right section, I type Excel. So this would also be available in my footer, Excel as it is, and as soon as I click on OK, then you can see that over here the time, current time is shown. Over here, page 1 of 1, which is in the current format that I have provided, is shown, and then Excel, that is the word that I had written, is shown. Now if I just click on this print option, then you can easily see that when this page would open, this is the kind of the thing that we have got. Whatever we needed, like time, page 1 of 2, the word Excel, the date over here, the page number 1, and the total number of pages, that is 2, is shown over here. So that is how you can apply the headers and footers to any of the sheets in Microsoft Excel. And I have also shown you that how can you customize headers and footers as per your own choice and as per your wish you can use anything to be visible on the headers and footers, or if you want, you can also use this predefined formats of the headers and footers that are given to you by Microsoft Excel. Similarly, you can see on the second page that the page number has changed to 2. The rest of the things are same exactly, but over here you can see page 2 of 2 is shown over here, and this page number has been changed to 2. So this is how you can create headers and footers for yourself in Microsoft Excel. That's all in today's video. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.